Today we are comparing UniFab AI and Aiarty to find out which one is actually better for video upscaling on the basis of quality, features, export speed, and subscription pricing. Now, I know a lot of you have been asking me which AI upscaler is actually worth your money in 2026, so let's settle this once and for all. Without wasting any more time, let's get into it. First up, overall upscaling quality. And honestly, the moment I opened UniFab, I was impressed. The interface is clean, and it offers so many AI models and export settings. You can really fine-tune the output to match exactly what you need. Aiarty also gives you some options, but the range is nowhere near what UniFab brings to the table. Now, I imported the same footage into both tools and upscaled it to get interesting. As you can see, on screen, Aiarty has improved the quality, sure, but UniFab made it look natural, like genuinely cinematic. The colors are balanced, the edges are sharp without being crunchy, and the overall feel is just way more professional. UniFab wins round one, easily. Oh, and one more thing. UniFab offers free trials with no watermarks. Yeah, no watermarks on the trial. Links in the description, go check it out. Now, anime upscaling. And this one blew me away. For UniFab, I used the Cairo model, built specifically for anime. Now let's upscale the same footage in Aiarty 2. Now let's check the results. The edges are clean, line art is crisp, colors pop perfectly. Aiarty though, rough edges, blurry spots, and it actually reduced the saturation, making everything look dull. For anime editors, UniFab wins. No contest. Next, denoising. I used a noisy, low-light clip so the difference would be obvious. Now let's upscale the same footage in Aiarty 2. Aiarty removed noise decently, but also wiped out fine details, textures, and grain. UniFab's Denoise AI removed the noise while keeping all those details intact. That's genuinely impressive. Face enhancement, and this is where UniFab completely left Aiarty behind. I used UniFab's face enhancer model on close-up footage. Now let's upscale the same footage in Aiarty 2. Aiarty doesn't even offer face enhancement, so I have used its default upscaling model. Now let's check the results. UniFab's model made. Skin texture, eye detail, sharpness, all improved without looking fake or over-processed. Aiarty doesn't even have a face enhancement model. I used their standard upscaler, and the difference on screen is massive. Now, pricing. Aiarty's lifetime license is $165 for 3 PCs and $79 per year for 1 PC. Sounds okay, but here's the thing. UniFab's all-in-one bundle gives you 22 tools: Upscaler AI, Colorizer AI, Denoise AI, Face Enhancer, Rapid HDR, Audio Upmix, Stabilizer, and more, all for $319.99. That's around $14.55 per tool. It also includes a $30 Amazon gift card and 4,000 Fab Cloud credits, bringing the value even higher. Single tools start at just $15.88. So to wrap it up, in every category, overall upscaling, anime, denoising, face enhancement, and pricing, UniFab came out on top. Better quality, more features, and an unbeatable price. Try the free trial, no watermarks, links below. Drop a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.